time frame chart, by the way. uh, I went into we'll go to the 1 minute time frame. At this point, when it come down, it was trading at this range. I was like, it really, when it got this high, I was like, you you can anticipate this is the top on the charts, and you can look to go for a short on the market after 9:30. And it was creating these local highs on the charts. I was like, it, it may not go above those highs on a market just open and then continue to be bearish as well. This is what I was anticipating. If it has to not to go above those highs, this was the fairly gap on 1 minute time frame. This is very like 1 minute time frame candle. If you zoom in a little bit, zoom, these are the fair value gaps I was watching. I was like, if these are the highs, this is the fair value gap. Market should have to go down from here. There's no point to go above those highs from here. It continued to show rejection from there. I wait for the market for the confirmation. It went down from there, and then this was the fair value gap as well. I was like, market shouldn't never have to come up to this fair value gap if it has to go down. And then when it was remaining sideways at this range, it was then went down from this range. I went for a shot at this range when it was like at this range, already bearish, sit still on the market, just went toward upper side, just tapped into this fair value gap, and then after that we have seen a complete downside first section from the market all the way toward a lower level. So took most of my profit at this range. Initially I was looking for this low, took most of my profit at this range, and then rest of it I closed in the afternoon session at this range on the market. And when it was getting the so further, I was expecting continuation toward downside as well. This is more of like not the ideal zone I was looking into, but I was anticipating. And afternoon session as well, it really remained sideways on the charts, and then late in afternoon session we have seen downward side continuation toward a downside from here as well. But I closed most probably, I think so, at this range. This range I closed my position on the charts. Today it was a good shot, by the way. Just still just watch, observe the market. You anticipate or predict the market before it open. You are bullish on a chart, you look for the buy on a chart. You're bearish on a chart. I was leaning bearish as well today. Look for all of those confluences that will send the price toward low levels. That's how trading is more of like easy in the scenario, considering that when it has to be more of like you knew what you are looking into. If you're confused, I would say that not at all look to any kind of trade. Just still watch, observe the market, and then that's how we should have. This is what it is I wanted to discuss in this quick short, and I'll see you guys in the next week on